Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a great find, an upgraded, modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This property has great features in terms of how the owner was able to maximize the property, and you'll see that as we go through this tour. Now, let's begin with the property's direction. It is facing the morning sun and it has a nice wide frontage showcasing that gorgeous facade. Now, let's go. The property size, it has a spacious floor area of approximately 375 square meters and a lot area of 280 square meters. Now, let's go. Through the pedestrian gate, you have your carport area for 3 vehicles. Now, this property does not have the cars included with the listing price, but having them parked here is a great chance to be able to see how spacious the carport area is. Another nice upgrade for this property is you have this entire space already covered. And this elevated mezzanine space is a staff room which you can access through those stairs. Now, on top of the 5 bedrooms, this property actually has 3 staff rooms. And then to your right, you have a landscape area. With pavers giving you access to the back of the house. Okay, let's head on over towards your main entry. The main amenity level is elevated from the street. There's no flooding or fault line in this area, but it just gives you a nice vantage point. Okay, now welcome to your beautiful home. You have your hallway space immediately leading you towards your living area. Now, this property is being listed unfurnished. So all the furniture and appliances that you see here are not included. But of course, if you'd like to have some of the items here included, that can be discussed and included in your offer, but that is for discussion. So to clarify once again, this property is being sold unfurnished, but can be negotiated, okay? But what's nice with the property being furnished is it's already very clear how well designed the spaces are and what kind of furniture you can place in each area. Okay, now here's another perspective of the living space. You have a nice vantage point and areas where you can place artwork all along the walls leading to the second level. You also have so much natural light. And of course, this property already has air conditioning all throughout all the rooms and an open concept plan for your living and dining space. Your dining area has cove lighting and can easily fit a table for 8 people. you have a sliding door right here made of glass. You already have some rolling blinds right here to keep the area cool in the afternoons. And then this side area is upgraded to have partitions on both sides. So this serves as an indoor-outdoor extension of your dining space. So if you have parties, get-togethers, this area is already enclosed and you have a table right here so you can appreciate the size of the area. And of course, if you want the natural breeze to come through, you can just open this up and you can see the pavers leading towards the front of the house. Now, here on the other side, you once again have access towards a garden space. Of course, it's up to you how you want to maximize that area. Okay? And now it's time to explore your modern main kitchen. Nice swinging door here. I'm imagining bringing some food in and out of the space. Very convenient. I love the size of this room. There's a large island countertop right here. Great for meal prep or even as an informal dining space. Nice ceiling height, cove lighting, plenty of storage, modern appliances. You also have these windows right here. Basically, a very well thought out space. Now, on the other side, you have your laundry area. Now, you have space here for a washer and a dryer and a heavy wash sink as well. What's nice about this property, to give you a little background, is this property was purchased without this area on the right being included. This is already an upgrade, and this is your auxiliary kitchen space. So this already got completely covered. So you have another area for heavy washing and cooking on top of your separate main modern kitchen. And here on the other side, you have access towards the auxiliary areas of the property and the water tank as well. And you also have an additional staff room, which we'll take a look at very quickly. This additional staff room already has a bed frame for 2 beds. Currently isn't being used, but that shows you the scalability of the area. And there's even an area here where you can take a bath. Okay? And let's head on over towards the 3rd staff room. Now we're back here at the auxiliary kitchen space, which you can access from the carport area, so you can bring your groceries directly here. And as I mentioned before, you have your 3rd staff room here, which is, by the way, air conditioned as well with its own bathroom. So that shows you that you have these 2 staff rooms and the staff room with the mezzanine space above the parking area to give you 3 staff rooms on top of the 5 bedrooms. Now, through the main kitchen, the living and the dining areas, let's take a look at the first room. Now, the owner of this property basically purchased this home brand new, made modifications and upgrades, included aircon, CCTV, and then just so happens, as life would have it, there are changes in the plans, and now we're honored to be able to list this property in the market. So this room is currently set up as more of a home office, but you can see the size with the bed right here. It already comes with storage and is facing the front of the house. There's already a brand new Samsung split type air conditioning unit for the room as well, and it has its own bathroom right here. Now, what I love about this property is it's extremely well kept and extremely tidy and clean. And you see that the way that the owner has kept the space is consistent with the hotel-like finish of the bathrooms. So this is a bath area as well, but at the same time, this room doubles as the powder room, which you can access from the hallway. And now let's head on up towards the second level. Let's go. And now we're here at your second level. You have tempered glass for the barriers of the hallway space, and I'd like to point out how wide it is. Nice considerable height. For reference, I'm about 5'10", and you also have a nice view of your living space. And now it's time to explore your primary bedroom. Now, once again, this furniture set is not included, but this is a fantastic example of how large this room is. You can easily fit 2 bedside tables as well as a king-sized bed for this room, and check out the considerable ceiling height, and you have plenty of space left over for additional furniture. In addition, you have a balcony space right here. This balcony space is a nice addition to your primary bedroom. Another significant upgrade for this property is the owners replaced the windows of the property with these very high quality aluminum windows, and you can see that from the quality and thickness of the screens. And that's a very important aspect to make a home very modern and at the same time upscale. And right here, you have your master bathroom. Wow, I love the ceiling height, and you can see from the indirect lighting and the marble design of the tiles, it has a very modern feel. You have an island countertop right here, and here's another upgrade of this property. The owners added this tempered glass barrier between the storage area and the bathroom area, and it's very sturdily constructed and has such a smooth mechanism. Okay, and then you have a dual vanity sink space right here, and of course your tempered glass shower enclosure and your freestanding bathtub. Okay, now let's explore the third room in the house right here. And then you have, once again, a furnished space. But I was informed that almost all of these rooms have basically been not used. And this is just a great illustration in terms of how large the space is if you purchase this home and would like to have your own furniture. And then right here, you have an ensuite bathroom. And then you even have a view of the CCTV system from here. CCTV system for the common areas as well. And you have right here the fourth room. Currently, this has been set up as a home gym area. But of course, if you want to repurpose this as a bedroom, this most certainly will do. It's a corner room and it has an ensuite bathroom as well. You're gonna walk in so you can see the size of the space. Okay. And of course, last but not the least, your fifth bedroom. Once again, very well kept, very clean, very tidy, and you can notice the ceiling height once again for this room. Corner room once again with roll-up blinds. Plenty of additional storage and an ensuite bathroom. That caps off our tour of this upgraded, modern 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.